Welcome to Achieve Your Dreams TV, where we explore fascinating insights into human behavior and relationships. Today, we're diving into some intriguing psychological truths that might just change the way you see the world around you. Contrary to the popular saying, opposites attract, research shows that we're more likely to be drawn to people who share similarities with us, whether it's in appearance, beliefs, or thought processes. The comfort of familiarity often plays a significant role in our attractions. When it comes to relationships, it's important to understand that certain behaviors can make or break a connection. For instance, it's challenging to have a lasting relationship with someone who constantly seeks attention from others. Trust and respect are fundamental, and a partner who values attention from multiple sources may struggle to build a strong and exclusive bond. Did you know that the strangers you encounter in your dreams aren't really strangers? They are, in fact, people you've crossed paths with in real life, even if just in passing. Our minds have an incredible ability to store faces and experiences, often replaying them in our dreams. Here's a fun fact: most girls find it endearing when a guy uses their name in conversation. It's a simple gesture, but it shows attention to detail and a personal connection, making the interaction more memorable. On a more serious note, studies have found that the average man may unintentionally ignore his partner up to 400 times a year through something known as selective hearing. This means that while he might be physically present, his mind might not be fully engaged in the conversation, leading to moments of disconnect. People who have a heightened sense of guilt tend to be more empathetic and better at understanding others' thoughts and emotions. This connection between guilt and empathy suggests that those who are more self-aware are also more attuned to the feelings of those around them. Speaking of self-awareness, individuals who blush easily are often perceived as more generous and trustworthy. This natural reaction can signal vulnerability and sincerity, making others more likely to trust and connect with them. Interestingly, there's a correlation between education and drinking habits among women. Studies have shown that highly educated women are more likely to consume alcohol regularly. This could be due to various social and cultural factors, but it's a pattern that's been observed across different studies. Another fascinating insight is that a significant percentage of men, around 80%, admit to noticing a woman's chest when meeting her for the first time. This might not be surprising, but it highlights the importance of body language and initial impressions in social interactions. When we're interested in someone or admire them, we tend to unconsciously mirror their behaviors. This mimicry is a subtle way of building rapport and showing that we're in sync with the other person. Now, here's a little secret to honesty: always tell the truth. When you're known for being truthful, people are more likely to believe you even when you do have to tell a small lie. This builds a reputation for reliability and integrity. Many people have the perception that others' social lives are more vibrant and active than their own. This belief can lead to feelings of inadequacy, but it's important to remember that social media often presents a curated version of reality. If you want someone to open up and share more, try maintaining eye contact. This simple action can encourage the other person to continue talking, often revealing more than they initially intended. Sometimes, silence speaks louder than words. When someone remains quiet, it could be because they are tired of explaining themselves to people who are unwilling or unable to understand. It's a way of conserving energy and protecting their peace of mind. Patience is a virtue, and when someone is willing to wait for you, it doesn't mean they have nothing else to do. It simply means that, at that moment, nothing else is more important to them than you are. When you meet someone new, show genuine excitement. Your enthusiasm can be contagious, leading the other person to feel equally excited about the encounter. A simple tip for responding to advice: instead of saying, "I know," try responding with, "You're right." This small shift in language makes you appear more receptive and agreeable, fostering a positive interaction. And finally, humor goes a long way in attraction. It's been found that 97% of girls are attracted to guys who can make them laugh. Laughter creates a bond and shows that you don't take life too seriously, which is often seen as a very appealing trait. Thank you for joining us today on Achieve Your Dreams TV. We hope these insights have given you a fresh perspective on the complexities of human behavior and relationships. Until next time, take care and keep reaching for your dreams.